So this is a video that I've been thinking about making for a long time, and it's probably going to piss off some folks, especially you haters out there that love to just shit on other people because you think it makes you feel better. And either way, it is what it is. Now, I want you guys to know this. I'm a root cause type of guy. And if you don't know this by following my channel, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. But a lot of the things that I've done over the years, I always like to simplify everything. And that's what I've done with my team, with our training, with everything that I offer you, whether it be here on the channel or just what I put together with my systems and how I train my team and how I really just kind of carry myself. I always like to make it really simple, not only for me, but I also like to make it simple for you as you're watching. And we talk about simple things out there in life that actually work, simple things that you could do. And throughout this process of making money online, making money from home, I always like to drill things down to root cause. In other words, finite things that you can look at, analyze, and realize what specifically is it that can allow you to get a result. And I've boiled it all the way down and drilled it all the way down to one specific thing in life. Now, this can apply obviously to making money online, but it can apply to your entire life. And I want you to realize when I get to the end of this video, I want to ask you something, and it's probably going to piss you off, but it's a truthful question that we all have to ask ourselves. And I have to ask myself this. And if you want to skip past this or you don't believe me, that's fine. But I believe this to be as true could possibly get. So when it comes to making money online, when it comes to making money from home, one of the biggest things that I get for feedback, or one of the things that people always mention to me, and I don't even ask people to mention this, it just comes naturally through the conversation, through connecting with you, whether it be here in the comments on my channel, on Facebook, texting, whatever it is. People always tell me that they're not techie, that they struggle with technology, or they're not good at video editing, or I'm not good at XYZ. And when it comes to making money from home, I want you to hear me out and understand when I say this. Your technical ability does not matter. And people use that as their excuse because at the end of the day, you will or will not do something based on your excuses. And at the end of the day, they are just that. They are excuses. But everyone, including myself, does have the ability to make money from home or make money online or do whatever it is in life that you want to do. You do have the ability. So, what is the one root cause? What is the one specific thing that holds you back from making more money or doing whatever it is that you truly love to do, pursuing your passion? What is the one specific thing? What is the one singular root cause that is holding you back from that? I'll give you one word: confidence. That's it. That is the only thing that holds you back from achieving what you want. So when you drill it all the way down and you get to that finite, one singular reason as to why you are not making money, why you tell yourself you can't make more money, why you tell yourself you're not techie, you're not good at getting on camera, you're not good at this, can't that. It all comes down to one thing: confidence. That's it. Now, here's the good news. And this is what I need you to know and understand. The beautiful thing about what we just uncovered, that one singular root cause, which, by the way, has nothing, zero, to do with your actual physical and mental ability. You do have the ability to do whatever you want in life if you have the confidence to do it. I hope that makes a little more sense now. Now, the beautiful thing about what we're talking about here is if your confidence is low and you're saying things to me or anyone whether it be at the water cooler at work, whether it be to your spouse or significant other, whether it be you're messaging me here in the comments or whatever it is. If you are saying, I'm not good at this, I'm not good at that, I'm not techie, insert excuse here, I want you to understand this. You can fix that. You can make that better. You can increase your confidence. You can raise your confidence levels. Now, how do you do that? You read good books. You be in proximity to people that have what you want. You surround yourself with positivity. You surround yourself with knowledge. You invest into you and your own personal development. Jim Rohn once said that formal education will make you a living. Self-education can make you rich. And I want you to understand that the more you invest into you, your mindset, your attitude, your knowledge, you can increase the results that you get across your entire life, whether it be making money from home, whether it be generating more leads, generating more sales, being a better husband, being a better spouse, being a better person, being a better parent, whatever it is, you can increase your confidence and become better at whatever it is you want to do. You have that ability. I hope this is starting to make more sense now. Now, what it really comes down to is the last thing I want to talk about here is, and you have to ask yourself this question, and please let me know your thoughts down in the comments, because this is really important for you and me and all of us moving forward here as we are on this online making money journey or just growing as individuals. Do you want to say to yourself and ask yourself years from now, 6 months from now, a decade from now, when you're on your deathbed, do you want to ask yourself or say to yourself, I never achieved what I truly wanted to because I did not have the confidence to do it? That is a regret, my friend, that I know I don't want to live with. So you have to ask yourself, are you willing to live with regret by not increasing your confidence and not getting the results in life that you want and deserve? Are you willing to accept having a low confidence level and just accepting what life throws at you? Because you have one of two choices. You can let life happen to you, or you can create the life that you want. And in order to create the life that you want, you need to increase your confidence. That is the one root cause, one singular thing that could be holding you back. And you have the ability to fix that starting right now, starting today, by reading good books, being in proximity to people that have what you want, listening to powerful personal development audios, and doing the things on a daily basis to increase your confidence, which will therefore increase your abilities. Hope you found this video helpful. Please do me a favor, drop your comments. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.